EFT, Tapping for Kids, is a Gateway Workshop's online course designed for children between the ages of 6 and 11 years old. In association with the MindGig, this course has been created to provide children with the skills and tools that they can use anytime, anywhere, to help them free themselves of negative thoughts and emotions. It will help children manage their thoughts and emotions, teaching them everything that they need to be resilient in the face of life's challenges, focusing on building their self-confidence and giving them reassurance to help them live a happy and successful life. Emotional freedom techniques, or EFT, are used to release blockages within our bodies with the use of tapping with your fingertips, as opposed to the use of needles like in acupuncture. Whilst tapping, you say specific affirmative statements to reinforce positive thoughts, negate negative emotional charges, and rewire neural pathways. It's an incredible asset created by professionals in the field to give you the skills to change your emotional journey for the better, taking control into your very own hands and becoming your own emotional support and helper. Through interactive and engaging tasks, video lessons, and proven science-backed strategies, the lessons will cover what is EFT, controlling your emotions, letting go, happy tapping, and more. Complete the course at your own pace within the course timescale with your own personal area on our professional, easy-to-use learning platform and your own tutor to guide you every step of the way. Upon completion, your child will receive a certificate to showcase their hard work and accomplishment. And you can rest easy in the knowledge that your child has learnt the techniques to be in control of their emotions. So no matter what situation they find themselves in, they can reduce their own anxiety, negative emotions and worry and turn it into something positive. Join the thousands of students who have trained with our award-winning school, boasting a proven track record, extremely high standards and expert tutors. Start the EFT for Kids course today and take positive, constructive steps towards ensuring your child's happiness. We offer massage, beauty and spiritual courses at our venues across London and the rest of the UK, including Scotland and Ireland. And we also offer many online courses too. Gateway Workshops, the gateway to your potential.